was just a horrible, great American law enforcement tragedy. There's no other way to explain it. But the point of that is we had the Branch Davidians, these so-called cultists that wouldn't come out of the house, and the FBI, the ATF, and every mistake, we won't even go there. But the people that survived the fire, there was a horrible fire on April 19th. They were in the siege February 28th to April 19th. Anyway, on April 19th, there was a fire that was happened, and there was a dozen or so that survived the fire. I think 85 men, women, and children died in the fire. It was a horrible episode. But our defendants were charged with attempted murder and murder of federal law enforcement. We were so worried because of the fire, because of the deaths of the fire, we thought our clients didn't stand a chance. It wasn't because they had strong evidence of conspiracy to kill law enforcement, but because of the death, we thought we got no chance. We got no chance. The one thing that we learned was the mock trial jury, they didn't give a shit about the fire because their attitude was they're not charged with starting the fire because there was a big Calderon food fight about who started the fire. And that was a game changer, absolute game changer in terms of learning what was important to the jury versus what we thought was important. I mean, it distilled the art of his skills down to that understanding that if they weren't charged with it, a jury didn't care. And I never believed that was possibly the case because 85 people had died. And I thought, there's no way they're not going to give a shit about it because 85 people died. But Robert taught us through this process, the jury's not going to care about that. And I didn't believe that until we got the verdict. I absolutely would never have believed that until we got the verdict. Yeah. Oh, every single defendant was acquitted of the substantive charge, every single one. Now, throwing my arm out of socket, patting myself on the back, my client and a few others were acquitted of everything, but all the defendants were acquitted of the major charges, which was no one saw that coming. No one believed we were going to win that case.